everyone. Welcome back to our channel. It is so good to see you today. I am David.
And hello, everyone. I am Alice. We are so happy to be here with you today. How are you doing, David?
I am doing fantastic, Alice. But you know, talking about restaurants is making me think of delicious food again.
You are always thinking about food, David. But today's topic is super useful for everyone. Today's topic is English in daily life, ordering at a restaurant, real English practice, A2 lesson.
This is one of the most important lessons you can learn. When you travel or visit an English-speaking country, going to a restaurant can feel a little bit scary for beginners.
Yes, exactly. Many students tell me, Alice, I know food words, but when the waiter comes to my table, my mind goes completely blank.
Don't worry at all. Today, Alice and I will show you how to order food, ask for the menu, and pay the bill using very simple, natural English phrases.
Yes, before we step into our virtual restaurant, please take one quick second to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It flows naturally into helping us make these slow, clear, and encouraging lessons for you.
Thank you so much for subscribing. Now, let us look at step number 1, arriving at the restaurant and asking for a table.
When you walk into a restaurant, the staff member or host will usually greet you and ask, "How many people?" or "Table for how many?"
To answer, you do not need long, complicated sentences. You can simply say, "A table for 2, please."
Let us repeat that phrase together slowly. A table for 2, please. A table for 2, please.
What if you are alone? You can say, "A table for 1, please."
And what if you want to sit near the window? You can ask very politely, "Can we sit by the window, please?"
Let us say that phrase together slowly. Can we sit by the window, please?
Give me the book of food. Oh, David, that is funny. But yes, always remember to say please and thank you. Polite words make your English sound so sweet and natural.
Now, let us move to step number 2, asking for the menu and ordering drinks.
Once you sit down, the waiter will give you the menu. If they forget, you can simply ask, "Can I see the menu, please?" Or, "Could we have the menu, please?"
Let us repeat that slowly. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please?
Usually, the waiter will ask for your drinks first. They will say, "Can I get you something to drink?" Or, "Would you like something to drink first?"
Here is the magic phrase for ordering anything in a restaurant. I would like.
Yes, I would like. Or the short form, I'd like.
For example, I'd like a glass of water, please. Or, I'd like a hot tea, please.
Let us repeat those two examples slowly together. I'd like a glass of water, please. I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Now, let us move to step number 3, ordering your main food.
This is the main moment. When the waiter comes back, they will ask, "Are you ready to order?"
If you need more time to look at the menu, don't panic. Just smile and say, "Could we have a few more minutes, please?"
Oh, that is such a useful phrase. Let us repeat it together slowly. Could we have a few more minutes, please?
But if you are ready, you can use our magic phrase again. I would like the...
For example, I would like the grilled chicken with salad, please. Or I'll have the pasta, please.
Notice how Alice used I'll have. That is another super common and natural way to order. I'll have the pasta, please.
Let us repeat those two golden ordering phrases. I would like the pasta, please. I'll have the pizza, please.
Now, let us move to step number 4, asking for the bill, the check, and paying.
When you finish your meal and your stomach is happy and full, it is time to pay.
In British English, we usually say the bill. In American English, people often say the check. Both are completely fine.
To ask for it politely, you raise your hand slightly, catch the waiter's eye, and say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Or, "Could we get the check, please?"
Let us repeat that phrase slowly together. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please?
Then, if you want to pay with a credit card, you can ask, "Can I pay by card?"
Or if you have cash, I will pay with cash.
Let us repeat those two payment phrases slowly. Can I pay by card? I will pay with cash.
Now, let us move to step number 5, real-life practice dialogues. Alice and I will role-play a complete restaurant scene. I will be the waiter, and Alice will be the customer.
Listen carefully to how natural and simple the dialogue sounds.
Hello, welcome to Good Eats Restaurant. How many people?
Hello, a table for 2, please.
Right this way, please. Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink first?
Yes, please. I'd like a glass of sparkling water, and my friend would like an orange juice.
Perfect. 1 sparkling water and 1 orange juice. I will be right back. Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order your food?
Yes, we are. For the main course, I would like the fish and chips, please.
Excellent choice. And for your friend?
They will have the vegetable pasta, please.
Great. So that is 1 fish and chips and 1 vegetable pasta. Enjoy your meal. Was everything okay with your meal today?
Yes, it was delicious. Thank you. Could we have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
That was a perfect restaurant conversation, Alice.
See, it is not scary at all when you know these basic phrases.
Now, let us do an interactive practice game for our wonderful listeners.
Yes. Listeners, we will describe a situation in a restaurant, and you must say the correct English phrase out loud at home.
Situation number 1. You walk into a restaurant with a friend. What do you say to the staff member? Alice, what is the answer?
The answer is, a table for 2, please.
Excellent. Situation number 2. You are ready to choose your food. You want to order tomato soup. What do you say to the waiter? What is the answer?
The answer is, I would like the tomato soup, please. Or, I'll have the tomato soup, please.
Situation number 3. You finished your meal and you want to pay using your credit card. What do you ask?
The answer is, can I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card?
Fantastic job, everyone. You passed the restaurant challenge with flying colors.
Now, let us move to our slow and clear repetition round. Please repeat after us aloud at home.
A table for 2, please.
A table for 2, please.
Can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
I'd like a glass of water.
I'd like a glass of water.
Are you ready to order?
Are you ready to order?
I would like the pasta.
I would like the pasta.
I'll have the pizza, please.
I'll have the pizza, please.
A few more minutes, please.
A few more minutes, please.
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Superb work today, everyone. Look at how many useful sentences you can now use in real life.
Yes. Practice these phrases while cooking or driving, and next time you go out to eat, you will feel so confident.
Before we finish today's video, we want to connect with you in our comments section below.
Today's connection question is, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Tell us in simple English in the comments. For example, I love to order pizza, or I like to order sushi.
Please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your language learning friends.
Thank you so much for listening to us today while cooking, driving, studying, or relaxing.
Keep practicing step by step. Be patient with yourself, and we will see you in our next easy lesson.
Have a wonderful day, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.